Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In previous video, we had discussed about the average velocity of the viscous fluid flowing through the pipe and the ratio of maximum velocity to the average velocity of the viscous fluid. Okay, so today we will discuss the pressure drop for a given length L of a pipe. Now, the reason of pressure drop is generally due to the friction between the fluid and the wall of the pipe, or due to the viscosity of the fluid flowing in the pipe. Okay. For that, we have to consider two sections, section 1 and section 2. The pressure at section 1 be P1 and pressure at section 2 be P2. The length between two sections be L, okay, and the direction of the flow of the fluid is in X direction, okay. So now, as we have the equation of average velocity, that is U bar equals to minus 1 upon 8 mu into del P by del X into capital R square. This equation we had derived in the previous video, okay. So if you had not seen that video, then see that first, okay. So U bar equals to minus 1 upon 8 mu into del P by del X into R square, where mu equals to dynamic viscosity, del P by del X is the pressure gradient, and R square is the radius of the pipe. So here we want the pressure drop. So from this equation we can see the only equation which relates the pressure is the del P by del X. So taking on the one side, so del P by del X equals to minus 8 mu U bar upon R square, okay. So del P equals to minus 8 mu U bar upon R square into del X. So now integrating the above equation, from section 1 to section 2. So it will be integration del P from section 1 to 2. So it will be integration from section 1 to 2 minus 8 mu U bar upon R square into del X. This 1 to 2 represent this section, not the number, okay. So don't put directly 1 and 2 after integration. This is representing the section, okay. So it will be what? The pressure at section 1 is P1, pressure at section 2 is P2 and del P. The length at section 1, because we have the differentiation integration with respect to X, so X is representing the length. So length at section 1 it will be 0, that means X is equals to 0. I will show. The length at section 1 is X is equals to 0, and length at section 2 X is equals to capital L, okay. L is the length between two sections. So it will be 0 to L minus 8 mu U bar upon R square into del X. So here minus 8 mu U bar upon R square is constant. So taking out of the integration, so it will be integration P1 to P2 into del P, which is equals to minus 8 mu U bar upon R square into integration 0 to L into del X, okay. So it will be P1 to P2 minus 8 mu U bar upon R square. So this will be X 0 to L, okay. So this is P2 minus P1 minus 8 mu U bar upon R square into L minus 0. So this will be P2 minus P1 equals to minus 8 mu U bar upon R square into L, okay. So this is the minus sign. So multiplying the whole equation with minus, we get P1 minus P2 equals to 8 mu U bar upon R square into L. So this is the pressure drop. So dividing the above equation by weight density, that is rho into G, we get head loss in friction. that is HF, head loss in friction, because P1 minus P2 upon rho g is equals to head loss in friction. So this formula is of the head loss, so we get HF. Okay, and we have P1 minus P2 which is equals to 8 mu u bar upon r square into L. So dividing this equation by rho g on both the sides, we get head loss in friction. So this is rho g and this is also rho g. So this is, according to this equation, this P1 minus P2 upon rho g is equals to head loss in friction HF. Okay, this is head loss in friction HF. So this is HF, this is equals to 8 mu u bar into L upon rho g r square. Okay, this is known as Huygens-Poiseuille's formula. This is Huygens-Poiseuille's formula. So head loss in friction is nothing but the Huygens-Poiseuille's formula. So HF equals to 8 mu u bar L upon rho g into r square, where mu is the dynamic viscosity, u bar is mean velocity or average velocity, L is the length between two sections, rho g equals to gamma, which is equals to weight density, and r is the radius of the pipe. If in the question we had the diameter, then substitute r is equals to d by 2. If we have diameter, then substitute r equals to d by 2 in the equation. So we get 8 mu u bar into L upon rho g into r square. So it will be d square by 4. So this 4 going in the numerator, we get 4 8s are 32. So 32 mu u bar into L upon rho g d square. If in the question, if diameter of the pipe is given, then you can use this formula, that is HF, head loss in friction, is equals to 32 mu u bar L upon rho g into d square. Okay, so that's all. If you had any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. In next video, we will discuss the flow of the viscous fluid between two parallel fixed plates. Okay, so subscribe my channel for more educational videos, like and share. Thank you.